bunny, the cat. Like this one.
Oh, he has it. Yay. Look, it was this one. So now, yeah, we just opened it actually.
We're gonna do
this one.
fridge. I think we're gonna get these ones.
Yeah, so there's 3 options. There's, it looks like a unicorn, maybe a bear, and a kitty. Ooh, wouldn't it be funny if you got the kitty too?
Oh,
You'd have 2 kitties.
Then they can be like sisters.
Yeah, all right. All right, so we have to remove the 5 screws here. So go ahead, Emma.
Okay.
We are gonna put this one first in here. So here's the scissors, careful again.
Parents should always do this because it's dangerous for kids.
Exactly.
Yes, scissors are
Oh,
dangerous.
who's it gonna be? I don't know, but I smell good. Well,
What is it?
all right, go ahead. It's yellow.
Wait,
This
who's
looks
yellow?
like actual flour.
Who's yellow?
Let's not ruin it. Let's see. Let's find out what it is.
Shall we mix it?
All right, now we have to fill a measuring jug with clean drinking water. Here's the water. Whoops.
Just put it around the place. No,
Yep.
it looks like already popcorn. Mix it.
Yes, now
It
you
looks
mix
like
it.
popcorn.
It's like popcorn. It looks like butter.
Oh, I love butter. That's popcorn. Maybe it's a butter cake.
So okay. So we have to mix for 2 minutes. So now we have to bring the cake mixed together with our hands. So I'm gonna distribute this evenly so everyone can try it. Okay? Well, actually, I think she has the most.
Yeah.
But it was your birthday, so this is your gift.
Can I have the
yeah.
rest, Mama?
Okay, let's try. I have to give some to Elijah too.
Oh my God! How am I gonna do this?
So you just move it around, and eventually it will all get stuck together.
Look at you. Told me it's like crust.
All right. So the following step is to put it in here.
Okay.
Who's gonna go first?
And me.
Go ahead.
Last time I was last.
Yes. So now you're gonna be first.
I'm
Whoa,
gonna go
I
at
feel like-
the end.
I feel like we have more dough this time for this little, like this. Yeah, it's small, right?
Yeah, the other one was big. Yeah. Alrighty. Who's next? Me.
All right.
Okay,
Go ahead, put it inside.
Oh, it's supposed to be a ball. What's that?
You ready, Adrian?
Yeah, I'm trying to pick it out of the ball. Squish, dish. Yeah, she's real.
Yeah.
Look at dish.
What's real?
This cat.
The cat's real?
Yeah, and look at her too.
Aww.
Can I put the paws?
Is he screaming?
Isaiah's like,
Yeah.
Isaiah's like, good morning.
She's so cute and
Morning,
tiny.
baby.
And she smells good.
Mama, how about I see? She's so pretty. I bet the other one's gonna be pretty too. And they can be like pretty best. Mama, I don't know what she's saying.
I don't know, but she sounds cute.
Yeah. She's saying that. Emma. She's saying Emma. This is slippery.
Yep, so now she's gonna try to pinch the sides so it can be taken out, and then we're gonna put it inside the beautiful fridge.
I'm so excited to see who and who's gonna be my sister. Yeah, you're so cute.
Aww, that's so cute. Alright. And done.
I'm so excited.
Whoa, there's more? What?
Yep. Can I have one? I think you had. Oh, did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
I heard it. It was like. Can I have him? How about I just make it in like a circle? Like that?
I don't know. Hold on.
This is.
So we just gently move it all over the place and it kind of opens up. There. All right, now where's the little thing? It goes on the top. Whoa.
You make can make friends. There you go.
Yep. All right. Now here's
Put it
the
in the
fridge.
freezer.
Oh, yeah, fridge, or is it a freezer?
It's a
Yeah,
freezer.
can you open it?
Okay. Open it.
Now it says we place it inside. Emma, go ahead.
Put it in the
got
middle of the
it.
center. I can't see.
Here you go.
There we go. Okay.
All right, say goodbye, little one.
Goodbye.
Wait, hold on. And now it says that we are supposed to put -10.
Negative.
Yeah, hold on. Let's find out first. So it's 0 right now, and we have to move it all the way until it's 10. So twist it all the way until 10. Let it go. Now you close it. Now rotate the dial clockwise to 10.
It actually has music. I love it. That's so
Whoa.
I like the song. That's a
-10 degrees. Close the fridge door. 20 seconds.
I open it.
Oh! It's shaking!
Mama,
You got a kitty again?
I got a kitty again.
Oh! They're fighting!
Hey, no fighting.
Oh, he's happy.
Hey, no fighting. Hey.
Is that one cold?
She's cold.
Is she cold? Squeeze to activate sounds. 3 seconds squeeze starts 30 seconds of shivering. Oh, she's cold. Oh, that is so cute. She's cold. That's why she's purring. I thought she was purring because she was happy. Oh,
She literally turned green right now.
oh, that's so cute. I can't believe you got both kitties.
Hi, little sister. And your big sister. Because I have to.
Whoa. All right.
Hey, no fighting. No fighting. You have to learn. Okay? Or else I'm Oh my god.
Does it smell good? Let me
It
see.
smells good.
Whoa, this one's bigger than that one, huh?
That means this one's the big sister and this one's the little one.
So this is technically like ice cream cake, and then this is cake. All right, let's put them together. Let's see how they look like together. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Whoa, that is so cute.
Look, see,
Look
he
at that
turned
little
yellow.
waffle.
How come this one's louder and this one's
Let's put her in the freezer.
Yeah, that one's tiny. No, she's gonna freeze.
No, let's see what happens. No wonder this is she got cold. It's a freezer.
Yes, that's
And she's made of ice cream.
It's under there.
It's under there.
Yes, the secret compartment. Awesome. Oh, that's so cute.
Mama. Thanks for watching. Bye.